Much love and welcome back to Origami. Today, we're going to be folding an Origami Masu box. All right, so this is a box that is a square, and when you fold two of them, you can sort of make a little gift box and put something inside and have a little cap to it. So we're going to make a second little box to show you how that works. And in order to fold this origami model, we're going to need a 6x6 square inch of origami paper. And to begin, we're going to start by folding two diagonal lines. They're going to start by folding from a corner to a corner, like so. And then make precise folds and crease sharply. Then we're going to unfold and repeat that with this corner and this opposite corner. We're gonna have those 2 points meet. And make a crease and unfold. Now we have two diagonal lines. Our next step is going to be a blintz fold. And a blintz fold is where we fold all four corners to the center point. So I'm going to start with this corner, fold it to the center point, make a crease. Then I'll repeat that on the other three corners by rotating. Fold the corner to the center point, rotate, fold the corner to the center point, rotate, and fold the corner to the center point. Once you have the blintz fold completed, what you're going to do is now fold each edge to the center line. So I'm going to take the entire edge, the entire bottom edge, and fold it up so it meets the center line. And then I'm going to unfold. And I'm going to rotate and repeat that on the other three sides. This edge, fold it to the center line. And sometimes the paper underneath might be displaced, so make sure you hold the paper down while you fold it so it doesn't displace while you're folding it, all right? Then I'm going to rotate and repeat that. See, I'm going to hold it underneath so it doesn't move. Fold it, unfold, and last one is to rotate this one. And unfold. So now your model should look something like this. Then I want you to flip the model over. And what we're gonna do is similar to our first step, where we're gonna fold two diagonal lines. All right, so in order to do that again, we're gonna take one corner and fold it to the opposite corner. And then instead of folding the entire diagonal, what we're actually gonna only do is fold this top triangle section right here. Just fold this bottom edge of the triangle right here, and then the bottom one right here, this small one. Just gonna fold that. We're gonna leave this middle part unfolded because that's gonna be the bottom of our box. So we don't need to fold it. Then we're gonna unfold. And as you can see, we just made creases on this top square and this bottom square right here. Now we're gonna repeat that, but we're gonna fold this corner to this corner. And again, we're only gonna do this top unit, fold that bottom edge, and then fold this bottom edge right here, while leaving this middle part unfolded. Then I'm gonna unfold this, and then flip the model over. Now you're gonna lift up one flap open, like so. Lift the other opposite side open like this. Now we're just gonna be folding this entire bottom edge to the center line. So we're folding this flap up like so, and making a crease. And then we're gonna fold this entire top edge to the center line so that it meets like so. Then we're going to rotate the model. Now we're going to open from both of these flaps up so that they're standing up straight like this. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to start with this side, where we're going to be pushing the flap in and using this crease. It's going to tuck like so. And I'll show you that from this side. So we turn this flap in and then fold up on this crease right here. And that creates one corner of your box. You see this corner right here. Now we'll repeat that on this side. Again, I'm going to turn this over, fold up on this crease right here. And then now we have two corners of our box. 1, 2. And then in order to seal the box, and we fold this flap down inside and tuck it in and make sure this crease is sharp. And you can put these flaps down as well. And now we've made one side of our Masu box. So now we can rotate and repeat that step on the other side, where we push this flap in, fold up on the pre-crease we made, repeat on the other side, turn it over, fold up, and then we're going to fold the entire flap down and tuck it inside the box. And what I like to do at the end is also make these creases on the edges of the box sharper, and make sure everything's tucked in nice. Now we have completed our Masu box. So again, like I said, if you make two of these, you can turn it into a little gift box. Now, one is always, since they're made from the same size of paper, it's gonna be a little tight squeeze, but one should always be able to fit in the other, like so. Now you got a little box if you wanted to give someone a gift and surprise them. It's a fun little gift box to make. All right, so that was our Masu box tutorial. I hope you guys were able to fold it. Much love and thank you. This is Origami.